Hello everyone, we are here in Sibiu. We just checked into our Airbnb. It was about a 20-minute walk from the train station, which wasn't terrible. Just found out there's no Ubers here, so we had to walk, which wasn't bad. But I'm gonna come in the bedroom and show you the bedroom real quick. So here's the bedroom. Check this out. This is really weird. I don't know if a small person lived here because all of the light switches are actually at like literally almost at my knee level. Quite interesting. But the place is incredibly clean. Like, look at how clean that floor is. Bling bling. But here's the bedroom. Looks like probably some storage under there. A couple end tables with reading lamps, which is always nice. And then it looks like we've got some type of cable or satellite television provided there. Nice, I'll call wardrobe storage, clothing storage area there with some drawers there. It's always nice when we come in and there's some storage like that for me to stash the big bag so I can shoot the video before we make a mess of the place, as I always say. There's a lot of street view here. It's not the best view, but it's not terrible either. Look at these silly old little eyes. Rachel's out there on the patio. I'll make my way that way actually. Let's see. So yeah, here's just the entryway, and then the bathrooms here. I did note that it said there was a dryer. I haven't noticed the dryer yet, but it says free somewhere in the building, or for free or for a fee. There should be one. So maybe it's somewhere else in the building. Here's the bathtub. I did note that, and actually we were so curious. There were no photos of the tub area in this swing out. Sometimes these will swing out. There was no photo of that area. The photo just kind of was like that. And the listing actually says that there's a hot tub, which I was like, no way. And I was like, they got to just mean bathtub, which obviously they did. Here's a little spot for you can sit down and kick your shoes off and throw your keys and glasses on the table. A little bit of homey touches there. Here's the living area / dining kitchen area. There's radiators throughout, which is great. He actually just showed me the thermostat was here, and then you can make adjustments to the temperature there. I'm not sure how fond they are of people messing with those, but if you like the water hot, those can be adjusted. And then here's the cooking area. Nice, looks like a microwave, possibly maybe a toaster oven. And then there's a bread toaster, coffee maker, and these 4 burners. I did look under there and see if there was enough cookware for us. There's a couple pots and a couple pans, so that should be good for us to make breakfast and small meals. We like to book the places with kitchens so we can save on food and cook our own meals. So here's a little dining area. Not that we'll be squeezing in here, but a nice little nook area to eat. And then here's the living area. Another thing I did note, and this is actually the second time in what I will consider a Balkan state that this has happened, that the listing said that there was 2 bedrooms, when in fact what they're referencing is 2 sleeping areas. There's in fact 1 bedroom and a living room that has a sofa bed, and they're labeling that as a bedroom. So be aware of that. You might come across that. So clarify with the host. So yeah, there's a sofa bed. Look, there's another radiator back there to keep us warm. I didn't see if there was too much of a view here. I guess if I open the window, I could probably swing out, huh? Not bad. It's a little, either way, it's a little nice little area for some fresh air to flow through that window. And looks like there's maybe some storage up here. We probably won't be using that storage area. And then here's the patio. Probably some cable TV there, I would imagine, if they got it in the bedroom. What do you think?
I like this little nut.
So there's smoking allowed, but only on this patio, huh?
Yeah.
And it didn't smell like cigarettes
No,
inside.
not at all.
So yeah, here's just the little street in front of our room here. We'll probably be sitting here enjoying tea in the evening. And look, a little drying rack for the laundry. I guess maybe that's what they meant by dryer, but that's not exactly what a dryer is. But yeah, thanks for watching.